A recipe which has been tried, tested, and perfected by a dear friend of mine and who has been generous enough to share it with me. Here is the recipe for one of the most delicious homemade prawn pickle. Welcome to Whada Gravy. If you like my videos, do subscribe. And to not miss out on new videos, press the bell icon after subscribing. For the preparation, we will need 500 grams of small-sized prawns. These are the cleaned and deveined prawns. They have been washed and patted dry. After cleaning and deveining, the weight comes up to 250 grams. For marinating the prawns, we will need 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon vinegar and salt. To the cleaned prawn, add the turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, chili powder. This chili powder is homemade, powdered coarsely after drying them in the sun. Add vinegar. Small size prawns are best suited for this recipe. If the prawns are big, cut into 2 to 3 pieces and marinate it. Mix well and marinate for 1 hour. To prepare the paste, we will need 8 to 9 green chilies, 1.5 inch piece of ginger, 20 cloves of garlic, 60 ml of white vinegar. To a mixer jar, add the green chilies, peeled and chopped ginger, peeled garlic, add the vinegar and grind to a medium coarse paste. Take 1/2 teaspoon each of black pepper, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds. Heat a ladle. Add the seeds and dry roast until the mustard seeds start popping and the fenugreek changes color. Allow it to cool. Pound it into a medium coarse powder. Heat a frying pan. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add the marinated prawns and fry until the prawns change color and are well cooked. Allow it to cool. To the same pan, add 3 more tablespoons of oil. Add the green chili, ginger, garlic and vinegar paste. Fry until the oil separates from the paste. Switch off the stove. Now add the roasted black pepper, mustard, fenugreek powder and mix well. Salt as per taste. To this, add the fried prawns. Mix everything. Check for taste. Add salt if required. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add it to the prawn pickle. Mix well. Transfer to clean, dry, airtight bottles. The pickle will taste better the next day as the prawns would have soaked in and absorbed all the spices. Store in the refrigerator. This pickle will keep well for more than 2 months. Spicy, tangy and slightly sweetish, this prawn pickle can be had and goes well with almost all dishes. If you liked the video, do drop your comments below. Join me on Tuesday for another interesting recipe.